Welcome student. This given numerical, if 100 joules work has to be done in moving a charge of 4 coulomb from a place where potential is 10 volt. Let us mark it. This is Q, source charge. It is its electric field this way, and it is moved from point A to point B. This position, it means it is work is done by external. Work done by external. External is from A to B, right now, and the charge is equal to 4 coulomb. Q is equal to 4 coulomb. The charge is moved here, this from A to B. From potential, this potential at this point, that is we call it as potential at initial point. Initial point is equal to minus 10 volt. Minus 10 volt. And this place we have to find out the potential, that is we call it as V at A, and this we call it as V at B, and this is final point and this is initial point, because work is done against this is the electric field direction, against the electric field work is done, so it is the work done by the external source. So this is from here, the potential at B will be greater than at potential at A, because work is done, that work is done is converted into potential energy of at this point of the electric field. So it means here the potential field at this one is equal to potential field at this point plus potential due to this work done. So that's why VB is greater than VA. So we know this relation, work done initial point to final point is equal to this much, which is this much, which is work done also equal to potential energy final minus potential energy initial, that is change in potential energy, work done by external source, and potential is equal to work done by external force, external work divided by in bringing that charge which is being brought, which is equal to, if you divide this is to be divided by Q, so it means KQ into 1 by RF minus 1 by RI. So potential is equal to KQ RF minus KQ RI, which is nothing but potential final, potential initial. So potential final change in R, we can call it as a change in potential. And now work done in dividing this and work done in bringing the charge is equal to delta U by delta Q, which is equal to delta V, where delta V is equal to this much. This relation is very important for competition work. Board, that may not be that much required, because both the numericals are coming very less, and to understand the concept you must do the numerical, then only you can understand the concept, then you can enter into the competition, NEET or maybe JEE. So potential is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 by R. So we have brought the relation, this relation. Work done, that is work done divided by charge, or change in potential divided by charge is equal to change in potential. For work done it is final to initial, and potential energy it is final to initial, and potential energy also final to initial, and potential also final to initial, but work done is bringing from initial to final. So what we are required to find out, where potential V, find V. So we have to find out at this point V, what is V, because here the potential initial, that is potential at A is equal to minus 10 volt and this is potential at B, which is equal to final point. From here to here the work is done. So potential at final point is potential final, which is termed as potential. Okay, V. VB is equal to V final is equal to, we call it as here it is given as V. So what we have to do? We have the relation change in potential is equal to work done change in initial in potential energy divided by Q, from this relation. This is very important relation. If you are not understanding this one, you will be confused with the potential energy, potential, potential energy, potential difference, everything will be confused. So this is equal to, this is given by this relation, or what we have to find out, that is potential, for change in potential means what? Potential final minus potential initial, that is change in potential, is equal to change in potential energy. Change in potential energy is nothing but work done by the external in bringing A to B divided by Q, because both are equal. So work done is already given, work done is equal to 100 joules. So work done by external divided by Q, so which is that is 100 joules divided by 4. Therefore V final minus V initial is equal to 25, that is 25 in volt. And it is given, what is V final? What it is given to us? V initial is given to us, that is VA is given to, V initial means A, V final means VB, nothing but we have termed it as, so V final, that is V final means VB minus V initial, VA is equal to 25 volt. As it is, VA is given minus 10 volt. So VB is equal to 25 plus VA is equal to 25 plus VA is equal to minus 10 is equal to 15 volt. It means here the potential is equal to 15 volt. See, we have already seen VA, that is V initial, is equal to minus 10 volt and VB is equal to 15 volt. It means what? This is negative, this is positive. We know VB is greater than VA. It means here the potential in bringing the charge is more, because here it will have a potential and the work is done by external agency is stored as potential energy. It means here the potential energy is equal to VB plus the work done. VA plus the work done is equal to potential energy B. That is why VB is greater than VA. A proton is placed in an electric field at a point having electrical potential 5 volt. Find its potential energy. A proton. See, this is the electric field Q created. This is the electric field. Proton. Proton means, what is proton? Proton is equal to positive electron, whose value is equal to positive of charge of an electron. So a proton is kept here, that is plus Q. Point having electrical, here the electrical potential is equal to 5 volt. At this point the proton is kept. Find its potential energy. As it is, we have seen work done by the external is equal to change in potential energy is equal to potential energy final minus potential energy initial. So work done external by Q is equal to delta U by Q, because both are same, which is equal to potential at the point. This is the relation we are going to use it. Now from here we can say delta U is equal to, we need potential into Q. We want change in potential energy. Find its change in potential. This is change in potential energy. So change in potential energy is equal to, change in potential energy is equal to potential at that point into charge which is brought. So potential at this point is given 5 volt into, this is positive Q, because proton is a positive electron. Negative electron, positive equal to magnitude is equal to, so 5 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this is the charge of an electron. Proton means it is positive. So 15 is 8 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is change in potential energy. So change in potential energy is always in joule. Change in potential energy is also in joule.